Welcome back to our channel. So today we have a very beautiful F90 M5 Competition in for upgrade. So this is our client's 2021 LCI F90 M5 Competition. The car already has our Akrapovic exhaust installed previously, and he is back for more upgrades. So today we are going to install this beautiful Eventuri carbon air intakes for the M5 Competition, as well as the turbo inlets. These are beautiful carbon turbo inlets by Eventuri. So right over here, as you can see, we have the Eventuri full package for the F90 M5 Competition, which includes the carbon air intakes and of course the turbo inlets. Now we are going to talk about some of the details and also the advantages of having this Eventuri carbon intakes. So according to Eventuri officials, with their carbon fiber air intake installed, the acceleration time from 60 to 130 miles per hour will be reduced by 0.22 seconds, which makes your car faster, and also the max flow rate per airbox at 38 inches is about 736 CFM. So this is the V2 updated design Eventuri intake. It features a sealed filter housings to maintain a more steady intake air temperature even when the car is stationary. The large front air scoop transmits ambient air directly into the intake area, so that ensures the engine doesn't suffer from any heat soak. Also, the Go Heat reflective line shields have integrated flow guides which direct the ambient air from the scoops into the filter. With this, Eventuri has managed to increase the inlet tube cross-sectional area by over 30% compared to the stock intake. So what are the difference of Eventuri intake compared to the factory air intakes is that Eventuri system uses their patented carbon fiber housing with a second generation bespoke filters which provide an aerodynamically efficient airflow path from the filter to the turbos. It's not only just another cone filter with a heat shield, but a unique design which invokes the Venturi effect and maintains the flow condition to reduce the drag on the turbo. The larger inlet tube volume allows turbos to work with lesser drag, and also the Venturi housing provides a smooth transition from the filter to the intake tube, keeping the airflow laminar, while the large front scoops force the ambient air into the intakes, keeping the intake air temperature as low as possible. With the Eventuri turbo inlets installed, the acceleration time from 0 to 130 miles per hour is reduced by 0.12 seconds. So the Eventuri carbon turbo inlets have a larger volume than the stock turbo inlets by maintaining a larger diameter all the way to the turbos. The stock inlets narrow down immediately after the connection to the intake, which actually creates a restriction, especially at higher boost level. Real-world testing results show that with just the inlets added, the acceleration time from 60 to 130 miles per hour is reduced by 0.12 seconds, which is a significant improvement on the F90 M5 Competition. And that's it. We have installed the Eventuri carbon intake and also the turbo inlet on our client's LCI F90 M5 Competition. So this is how the Eventuri intake sounds like. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think about the Eventuri intake on the 4.4 litre V8 twin turbo engine. And also, if you like our content, remember to like and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.